clicking here schedule event, the user email, name, last name, first name, also yeah, here you can see user data, all of this necessary information. Hi, in today's video I want to share with you how you can embed your calendar form in your website, also how you can track your calendar form with user data like user email, phone number using Google Tag Manager. So first I'll share with you how you can embed your calendar form with your in your website, and then I'll show you how you can connect Google Tag Manager with your website, and then third I will share with you how can you track calendar form, and last I will share with you how you can capture user data like user email, phone number, which help us to set up Facebook set up enhanced conversion tracking for Google Ads. Also, if you're running Facebook ads and set up Facebook pixel, and if you send this user data, so your event match quality will increase, which can optimize your ads more precisely. So let's see how you can do that. Before I start this, which is this is bit complex, and if you're not technical person, so it's not will be easier for you. So if you need any paid help, so feel free to reach out me by WhatsApp or by description link, so I can help you with that. And if you're a technical person, just to see this blog post where I share my all of this code, and you can just easily copy and paste and see my guideline. So yep, let's start. So at first we have to embed our calendar form in our website. I know you already maybe embed your calendar form in our website. Just to show, I just recall this again. So I have to go to calendar. Yep. And I have to also go to my website. So yep. Okay, so here is the calendar form. Here you can see I already create a event. So I have to now embed this calendar with my wizard. So for this, I have to click in here the three dot, and I think here I'll get add to website. Click in here, and then here you can see we can embed multiple ways. I just choose from here inline embed, and then yeah, I have to click in here continue, and then after that, okay. After that, here you can see I will have this code. I have to just copy this code and go to my website, and then I have WordPress website. So I just click in here, edit with Elementor, like which page under I want to add this code. I'll just edit this page. So I'll show you how you can add this calendar from in your every website. What you need to do, this is very simple. You have to simply go to your website and add a HTML section in here. For example, if I could add in here, yeah, like here, and we need to paste the code which we copied from Calendly. We have to paste this code in the HTML code section. So here you can see Calendly form properly embed with our reset. So now we have to click in here publish to publish our setup, and then also okay, so first step done. So now we will connect Google Tag Manager with our website. So to connect Google Tag Manager with your website, you have to just first create Google Tag Manager container, and then you have to mm, add Google Tag Manager code, which is this one. You have to add this Google Tag Manager code with your website head section and body section. So if you could look at this code, like Google Tag Manager also saying here, we have to paste this code as high in the head section, and we have to paste this code in body section. So usually if you just only add this head section codes, it's also enough to connect Google Tag Manager with our website. So just copy this code, and I'll go to my website, and here you go to dashboard, and then I'll go to themes, okay, and then I'll see in here is a file which is called theme.function. In your case, you can see like header.php. You just go to this file, and here you can see I already add Google Tag Manager code in here. So you have to just copy this code in, paste this code in your website head section. Here you can see I already add this code. And you can also follow another method, which is like you can add a plugin which is called WP code, which you can directly add this code without going in your website theme section or editing any code. So yep, that is the way how you can add Google Tag Manager with your website. So yep, Google Tag Manager and Calendly booking from embedded in our website. Also Google Tag Manager connect with our website. So now we will track Calendly form. So to track Calendly form, we have to go to Tag Manager, and then I have to go to tags. And if you could follow this guide, you'll see in here like at first we have to create a custom HTML tag, which is this one. Just copy this code, go to Tag Manager, and then here you can see already set up, but I'll like off this setup. Okay. Okay, so like I have to create in here a new tag, which is custom HTML, paste this code in here, and then I have to create in here the trigger would be all page. So I'll just create a new tag, which is create a new tag, choose custom HTML, paste this code, which I copy from here, and then I choose this trigger all page, and then I'll save this. Like this name would be, if you could go to here, you can find like Calendly booking listener. Just copy this code, go to here, and paste this code in here. Okay, so if you now follow this, here you can see after submit this form, we will have now this kind of event in data layer. So let's make a test. So I'll directly copy this URL, go to tag manager, click in here preview. Okay, so here you can see I have to paste in here my website URL. I just pasted this URL in here, just click in here connect. Okay, so Google Tag Manager now connecting with my website. Google Tag Manager preview connecting with my website. So here you can see already connected Google Tag Manager with my website. And then if I could, okay. Okay, so here you can see now Calendly some event we can see in here, but we not see like schedule event. So let's like book a appointment. So if I could go here again, here you can see date and time select, but we not see any schedule event. So when I click in here schedule event, so now we should see schedule event. Yeah, here you can see calendar schedule. And if I click in here, you can see the event URI, also the invite URI. So, but we not seen here any like user data, for example, user first name, last name, phone number, email address, etc. But if you want to just only set up this conversion tracking, you can just copy this code, copy this event name, create a trigger, and then you can easily set up conversion tracking for your Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or any of these advertising and analytics platform. But we are in this video main goal, we also see how we can capture user data like user email, phone number, others which user put in our calendar. So to track also user data, we have to go to our blog post, and here you can just follow this guide. So here, what's saying here, like in GTM, go to variable and choose variable type data layer variable and name it API URL, and then data layer variable as API URL. So if you could go to tag manager, we have to go to variable first, and then in here we have to click in here new, and then choose from here data layer variable, and then here in the variable name we have to just go to here and copy from here the URL, which is event URI, or yeah, if you could go to here you can find API URI. API URI. So we just copy this code, go to here, paste in here. Also, yeah, API URI. If you could go to here you can see detailer push and URI. Okay, perfect. So now let's write this name, which is API URI, and click in here save. Okay, and then now we have to collect Calendly personal access token. So for this we have to first go to our Calendly, and then we have to go to here, you can see integration and app, and here we have to write in here web. So just go to Calendly, and then click in here cancel. We already embed this code, and here you can see integration and apps, and write in here web. So here you see webhook, app and webhook. So then click in here, and then click in here get a token now, and then click in here continue, and write in here the name like GTM user data tracking. Click in here create. Okay, so then Calendly send a code to verify we are the right person or not. So I just write in here my code 0117331. Awesome. And then oh shit. Okay, so I have to just click in here copy token, and then this is automatically copy in my clipboard. So if you could go to my blog post, here you also see this, like what I need to do. Just go to integration, write in here wave, and then copy this access token, and then the next we have to create a GTM new custom HTML tag, and then here you can see name it something like Calendly API lookup, and then paste this code. So just go to your tag manager, click in here tags, and then you have to click in here new, choose from here custom HTML, and then we have to paste in here the code. Just copy this code, go to tag manager, paste in here, and then what we need to do, which is we have to change this with our API URI, which you already did, but if you could write this name or just anything, for example just only API or just on URI, you have to just write in choose your right variable, and then we need to replace with this our Calendly access token. So if you could follow my in here, you have to just, you can see in here, replace your access token with the token you copy from Calendly. So just go to Calendly, copy this token, and then and then what we need to do, just replace this with our Calendly, paste. Okay, and then what I need to do, which is step 5, we have to trigger this our calendar schedule event, and then we'll preview it. So let's do that. Choose from here trigger, and then calendar event schedule. So in your case, you might be not see like calendar event schedule trigger. So to create calendar event schedule trigger, you have to click in here trigger, and then we have to click in here trigger, and choose from here custom event, and then go to your GTM preview mode. So like see, when we preview our calendar, we have in here an event which is our calendar event schedule. So if you could also go to variable and then say in here like event calendar event schedule, just copy this text, go to tag manager, and then paste in here this text, and write in here like calendar event schedule. Click near save. Okay, and then write this tag name, like if you could get a example. So write this tag name like Calendly API lookup, and then paste in here and click near save. So now let's make a test like our setup properly working or not. So we have to click in here preview, and then click in here continue. Okay, and then if we could now like schedule an event, with the website URL 𝗪𝗢𝗥𝗪𝗧.com. Click in here schedule event. Our HTTP lookup success, which means here you can see also like the user email, name, last name, first name, also like yeah, here you can see the data, but all of this necessary information. So now you can create the event like this one, HTTP lookup success, the trigger, and then using this event you can make a trigger, and then you can also like collect from here the user first name, last name, email address, phone number, website URL, whatever you need. So then you can send this data to active your enhanced conversion tracking. So yep, if you need any help, and feel free to reach out me via description link. Also book a call using Calendly, or yep, just visit my website if you want to learn more about me. Also, if you want to get more tracking tips, so just check my website or there's blog post where I share all of this code. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Have a good day.